Meaning of H M Bateman.
H M Bateman.
H M Bateman.
H M Bateman.
H M Bateman. H. M. Bateman was an English cartoonist and humorist who gained popularity during the early 20th century. He is most well known for his satirical drawings, which often depicted social issues and human idiosyncrasies in a humorous way. Bateman's distinctive style involved the use of exaggerated facial expressions and figures, as well as clever captions that added to the humor of the cartoons. His work has been featured in various publications including Punch magazine, and his legacy continues to influence contemporary artists and cartoonists today. In short, H. M. Bateman was a celebrated cartoonist and humorist whose work continues to entertain and inspire people today.